I ordered only sealed bottled water because I had read a lot of stories online and decided not to take any risks. I just sat there, watched the girls dancing, and talked a bit. I asked how much the bar fine was, and they told me it was 1,500 pesos. For those who don't know, bar fine means you can take a girl out of the bar and spend time with her outside. Go for a walk, have dinner, go to the beach, just hang out so you are not alone. Basically, like a local companion or guide. That worked for me. I chose a girl and she told me a lot about Barretto, the area, and how things work there. For me, as a first time tourist, this information was extremely valuable. I finally started to understand where I actually was. The next day, I decided not to stay any longer and continue my journey. During my first trip to the Philippines, I wanted to see as many places as possible so I could compare them. I took a Victory liner again, this time from the Olongapo terminal, and bought a ticket to San Fernando, La Union. The ticket cost about 300 pesos and the trip took roughly 5 hours. I arrived there closer to the evening. I hadn't booked a hotel in advance and honestly had no idea what was available or where to stay. Eventually, I found a cheap hotel for around 1,000 pesos per night. Once again, I started searching for information on forums and also contacted a Japanese acquaintance who had already been there. I got a general idea of where the tourist areas and bars were located. I took a tricycle. The ride cost about 100 pesos and went to the area with tourist bars. When I arrived, I saw a regular road with very simple buildings, neon lights, and girls sitting on chairs along the roadside. Everything looked very basic, almost like a small village. It was dusty and not very comfortable. I walked around and looked at the place, but first I decided to eat. I went into a small cafe near the bars and ordered a Filipino dish called adobo. Overall, I liked the food. I started talking to the waitresses and they told me that they work not only in the cafe but also in the bars. They offered to walk me to a bar and show me how everything worked. I agreed.